Lecture 10: Getting Started with AI Tools, ChatGPT, Canva AI, and more in action. Let's face it, AI can feel overwhelming at first, but the truth is, you don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. In this lecture, we're focusing on easy to use AI tools that anyone, yes, even total beginners can use to write, design, create, and boost creativity. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI are intuitive, accessible, and powerful. We will see how to use them, what they're good for, and how to get started in minutes. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use beginner-friendly AI tools to complete writing and design tasks. Understand the key features of ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Magic Tools. See real-time demos to help you try the tools yourself. Identify how these tools can save time and improve results in academic, creative, or business projects. ChatGPT, your everyday AI assistant. What it is? ChatGPT is a free text-based AI tool that can help with writing, brainstorming, explaining, or even role-playing different scenarios. What you can do with it? Write emails, blog posts, social media captions, summarize articles or notes, ask follow-up questions or get suggestions on anything. For that, you will just have to open the official website of ChatGPT and you can just write in here as ChatGPT. This is the interface, and you can just write a prompt in here as give me 5 Instagram captions for a coffee shop promotion and hit enter. So you have 5 different captions on this specific topic of coffee shop promotion, and here you can see it just responds in seconds. And you can follow up with as make it funnier and show the adjusted version, and here you can see, and it can summarize a paragraph or help with writing outlines as well. Great for drafting assignment intros, checking tone, and generating ideas when you are stuck. Canva AI, design without design skills. What it is? Canva AI includes features like Magic Write, Magic Design, and Magic Edit, all powered by AI to make design easier. What you can do with it? Generate social media posts, presentations, flyers. Use Magic Write to create content. Use Magic Design to turn plain ideas into visual layouts. Remove backgrounds, change photos, or suggest visuals. For that, you will just have to go to the official website of Canva and you can just click in here. Click on create. For example, if you want to create a presentation, you will just have to write in here as presentation. And there are different formats, and for now we'll just go with this one as 16:9. Use Magic Write in a slide. For example, you can just click in here, click on text, click on Magic Write, and for example, you just write in here as benefits of daily reading and click on generate. You can just click in here. This, but in bullet points. Click on insert, and here you can see you have all those points related to benefits of daily reading, and you can just adjust it according to your requirement. Then try Magic Design. Type a few words and watch Canva create templates and layouts instantly. For that, you can just click on design, click on templates, or you can just write in here as daily reading. So for example, this one, click on that and apply all 18 pages. replace all pages, and here you can see this template has been applied. But for example, if you want to change this one, you can just go back, click on text and remove this one and type in here as again benefits of daily reading. Again, you will just have to go with this one as this, but in bullet points. So click on insert and you have all the data in here. Adjust the size, and here's the content that is ready for presentation. Ideal for class presentations, resumes, and creative projects even with zero design experience. Bonus: other beginner-friendly AI tools. Google Bard or Gemini. Alternative to ChatGPT, useful for research and quick summaries. For that, you can just click in here as we have just bookmarked it. And here you can just write a prompt like ChatGPT, for example, give me 5 different titles for a blog post on reading benefits. So you have 5 different ideas for advantages of reading. Gamma AI turns your ideas into slide decks. For that, you can just click in here as Gamma app. Click on create new. Click on generate. And here you will just have to type the title of your presentation. For example, how electric car works. Electric cars work. And click on generate outline. And here you have 8 different slides and click on generate. So it is working. So you have a presentation ready within a minute. So we'll just go to the first slide. This is the second one with the headings, pictures, bullet points, and the graph, image with points as well, explanation, and everything. And at the end, we have the future and benefits of electric cars. Remove.bg removes image backgrounds in one click. For that, you can just click in here and type Remove.bg. This one. Here you will just have to upload an image. For that, you can just click in here. For example, we use this one. Open. So it has instantly removed the background, and you can just download it, and in here save it, open it. So here you can see this is the image without background. Microsoft Designer, AI based graphic tool from Microsoft. For that, you will just have to go to Microsoft Edge, click on Bing image creator. You can use this one. And for example, you just write a prompt in here as generate an image of a luxury car on the Mars. and click on Create. Your image is being created by AI. So here you can see it has generated 4 different images, and when you just want to see one, you can just click in here. So here is a luxury car on the Mars. And you can download it, save it, share it, or resize that as well. And there are different related content from the web as well, as people have created the same picture with different prompts as well. And this is how it looks. Why it matters? You don't need to learn Photoshop, PowerPoint, or write like a pro. These tools act as your creative assistants. You don't need to be a programmer or designer to use AI. These beginner tools are here to help you think faster, create better, and present smarter without the stress. Whether you are building a slideshow or crafting your next social post, these tools are your shortcut to quality work with less effort. Remember, AI isn't here to do it for you. It's here to help you do it faster and better.